Okay, I will present my Code4 project. Uh, my project name is Plastic Recycling. My team name is Audara. My group is in elementary. My team project is Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. My name is Gede Krishna Baskara Ginawa. Uh, so my project description is a character called Pico noticed the environment around him is very dirty, so he made a recycling machine that can directly recycle resins right into usable products. Uh, this is when the river is dirty, and this is a mini game that I built. The problem that I there in this project is there is no machine that can directly recycle wastes into product. My solution is create a machine that can directly recycle waste into products. So like this we can make the product, and existing solution before I make a machine is the current recycling methods has a limited capacity and does not directly produce a consumer product. You- My machine can recycle, but my machine can recycle wastes on demand, and it produces consumer products directly. Uh, and so this is the mini game that I said earlier. Okay, that's all. Thank you.